This is the all-in-one work productivity dashboard Notion template, and I'm just going to do an overview of what it looks like. I actually created this a few years ago for my own work to have everything that I could need for organizing my work, projects, notes, tasks, and meeting notes, and just having them organized in a way that I thought was really helpful, and I was able to look back and really track my progress and my projects and tasks as well. This is fully customizable. You can update the cover photo, you can update this layout, you can delete whatever you want and make it your own. Obviously, you can update this weather widget to be where you are and update anything. So this is a quote that I like, but you can update it to be whatever you want it to be. I also have a section here for Notion template customization. So when you click here, that customization is here and you have all of the resources you need and different cover images to update them to, so you can do that too. So when you first look at it, you see the quick actions here and you see a quick note. This is just for random notes that you want to take. So you can click on this and add whatever you want here and then look back on it if needed. The next items are different buttons, so you can easily add a new task, project, or note in one click. And when you click on these, it actually automatically creates a new template for you. So I have these saved to be automatically set up so you don't have to do any work, but you really easily update any of these items too. The next section is today's priorities. You can see all of your high priority tasks in this section. And then you have the widgets here, and then it goes into daily, notes, and references. And these are different sections for you to have and just organize in whatever way you want. I then also included a quick link section here to where you can add whatever links that you need to reference, whether it be outside of Notion or if it's a page or task in Notion as well. And then I also have a Pomodoro timer here. I really like doing Pomodoro timing because I will get lost in a task and forget what day it is, honestly. So when you click into the tasks, this is the view that you see here. You can see all of your current tasks. I have another link to that quick note if you want to reference it in this view as well. And then you can see all of your tasks that are just for today, and you can view them by the different status item. You can click into here and say, okay, I want to send notes for project 1. And you can actually add the project here too. So then that clicks into there, and then that is actually connected to that project. If you click on this, it'll go directly to that project and you have all of the information that you need for that project as well. So the goals here, your project tasks, and being able to view them in different ways, and then your notes that are all connected to that project as well. So that is that project view, which is incredibly helpful, and being able to have everything connected just makes your life easier. In your task view, you also have a this week section and a date to do. So if you just want to see all of them in that way, and a table as well. And then you have the section for all tasks too. So this is where you can see them in different views, and it's not just the tasks that are immediately needed for this week, it's every single task that you have added to this database. So that is how you view this as well, and I have different sections here for you to be able to view them in that way as well. Next is the project section. This is what this looks like. You can see all of your projects here. You can view them by status, and then you have tables and timelines here too. But this board section is helpful too because you can see them by status. And again, if you click into this, it's that view that I showed before where you can see all of these different items, and you can easily add what priority it is and edit different properties in here as well. When you look at your notes, you can then see all of your notes in here. You can add favorite notes, you can add brainstorms, you can add whatever categories you want to here. And then again, when you are looking at this note, you can actually add a project to it and automatically connects to that project. So you can easily update these to be whatever you want them to be. And the next section is the meeting note section. So this is set up really similarly to the note section where you have your notes. When you create a new note, it automatically creates the time that it was added, and then you just add the name of the note and add whatever notes you want here too. It'll auto-populate different sections for you to easily take notes of each meeting and have it be customized in that way. And again, you can add this to different projects and have it be set up in that way. You can also add categories for an internal or external meeting, and there's ways to view it where you only see your internal meeting notes and then external meeting notes as well. But again, you can edit this to be anything that you want it to be, and it is completely customizable. The other sections here that you have are links and resources. So I currently have this to be where I've added Notion resources in here for you, but you can add whatever you want in here. That is your links and resources for your actual work. And then I also have project ideas in here, and then these different reference pages. So a place to add your different goals for your career or the work that you're working on, different milestones that you want to keep track of, and good to know items. These are just random notes that you might want to take that you can reference for the future. Then I actually have a music section because I have different playlists that I like to listen to when I'm working. So I have the playlists in here, and you can just click the link and it opens the playlist that you want to listen to, and you can edit this to be whatever you want and delete my playlist, add your own playlist, and make it your own. And the last one is Future Me. This is just a section where it could be any notes that you want to reference in the future. And I just find it helpful to be able to easily find certain items like that. So that's why we have that in the references section versus the general notes section. So that is the all-in-one work productivity dashboard Notion template. I have been using this for the past couple years, and it's been incredibly helpful to be able to just have everything organized in one place. It completely changed how I was able to do my work and track my projects and tasks. So hopefully it was helpful, and let me know if you have any questions.